Welcome to AdeLinaArtsGallery. In this video, I will try to draw Holi special Radha Krishna painting. Now let's start the drawing. First, I drew the outline of Lord Krishna. Then I drew the outline of Radharani. Radha and Krishna in a cute way. The entire paper with just water. Now it's time to spread the colors one by one. If you love this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. To better convey the colors of Holi, I tried spreading the colors with a toothbrush. This time I used color pencils to paint Radha Krishna.